Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who aren't familiar with me as of yet, since I am a new YouTuber, I want to welcome you guys to my channel. This channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Guess who's Aisha? Me. Aisha loves makeup. So with me loving makeup, I'm like, I have to start a YouTube channel now, and just this is like a fun hobby for me, just showing you guys the stuff that I get as far as my unboxings, the things that I get. It's gratis hauls and my makeup hauls, and just sitting down and talking and discussing makeup. So this is going to be, if that's something that you guys like, then this is going to be the channel for you. With that being said, I know why you guys came here, to see my Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. This one you can't really call an unboxing because it's not a box, but I mean, these are they're called unboxings, but what do you call them when they're not like an actual box? Gotta think of something for that one, but let's get into it. So, if you guys don't know, this is the 100 subscription that's come out with Ipsy, so everyone got an extra thing in whatever subscription box they have. So if they have just the $12 subscription, which is normally like travel size, you're gonna get I think I got 6 things as opposed to 5. Yep, I got 6 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 6 things. And then for my Glam Bag Plus, you get, so if you get 5, you get 6. So this is supposed to be 5, like normally like minis, maybe 1 full size, but we got 6 this time. So that was nice. Thank you, Ipsy. They gave us like a little card. Celebrate you. And it says, this is your invitation to celebration of our 100th Glam Bag. Yay! To the party, let's get this party started. We added a bonus product as a thank you for being along the ride. Open your Glam Bag picks, valued at $50 up. And it says enjoy and have fun. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let's dig into the box. It's weird me saying a box because it's not a box, but that's what it's called. So anyway, I got 6 things. Normally we get 5. And honestly, I was going through everything in this, I'm going to say bag, not box, going through this bag. I was actually really happy because this is only $12 a month. And for $12, I definitely got my bang for the buck. So I am very happy with this. Normally, sometimes Ipsy's hit or miss, but this one I was very happy with. So let's see what I got. So the first thing I got was, some of the stuff is in the bag and some of the stuff wasn't in the bag. Like obviously this can't fit in the bag, so they had to put it on the outside part. So let's start with, I got these 2 face sheets. The face sheets are by Real Beauty. So I got a vitamin C mask and a hydration mask. I love masks. I have so many masks though, and it's like I should probably start using them because now I'm like, I have a whole bin of masks. I have a whole bin of everything. A whole bin of lashes, a whole bin of glosses, bins of everything. It's just, it's bad. But I'm sure you guys, if you're on my channel, I'm sure you guys can all relate. So I don't feel too bad. But this is what they look like. It says vitamin C. This one is for hydration. Okay, so I'm not going to try this on now because I got a full face of makeup on, but can't wait to try these out. It says parabens free, mineral oil free, silicone free. There's no artificial fragrance, no artificial dye, no talc. So that's good. It's all clean. We love clean products. So we got 2 of them, and let's see. It says this counts as a deluxe sample. It says the full manufactured product has 5, which retails for $15. So we got 2. So do the math. The next thing I got was a brush. This brush, how much was this brush? This brush was $18. Complex Culture All Over Shadow Brush. And the Complex Culture line is, I believe, with Ipsy. So these brushes are great, though. I love when you guys can send me a whole bunch of brushes. I have a million, but what's a million and one brushes? I love, love, love brushes. This is what the brush looks like. I love blending brushes because I normally do smoky eyes. So I can't wait to try this brush. It feels sturdy. I like the gold and the charcoal. Very sleek and chic. So that's number 2. Very excited for that. So far, 2 for 2. I love, love, love so far. Comes in a little sleeve. Alright, this is what the bag looks like. So this is the front. It has like little studs. And in the back says 100 Ipsy Glam bag. I love makeup bags, but like if anybody subscribes to Ipsy, you guys all probably have like 1,000 bags. Like I have 1,001 of these bags. I loved when they stopped doing the bags because I had more than enough, and now they started doing it again. I guess they said people wanted the bags, but I think it should be like a bag once a month. I mean, once a month. The subscription boxes are once a month. Maybe like once every 3 months, or yeah, once every 3 months, but every single month to get. And then I do this bag, and I also do the Glam Bag Plus. So it's like I get 2 makeup bags every single month, and it's like, I like the bags. I like the concept, but me being like a makeup guru, makeup junkie, makeupaholic, I carry a lot of makeup. So this size is not practical for me because it never fits anything. Like I carry like everything. I carry one bag just for my lip glosses and my lip products. So, and this won't even carry my lip glosses and my lip products. But I get the concept. It's cute, but Ipsy, we don't need a bag every single month. I think I speak on behalf of everybody when they say one will be fine every couple of months. So, but I mean, I like them. I think I'm just gonna give them away, like as a gifts, family, like whoever wants to make a bag, you get a bag, you get a bag, you get a bag, you get a bag. Everybody's gonna get a bag because I have so many. And then plus I get bags from various companies when they do trainings and they give us gratis. They give us like a bag full of gratis with inside the bag. So it's like I have so many bags. But I'll figure out what to do with them. If you guys want some as a part of when I do my giveaways, please let me know because I have tons of bags. So I'll gladly give them away. So next, on to the next thing I got, which is the Grace and Stella Lavender Body Cream. It's a lavender lotion, calming and moisturizing. It looks like so. I did try this. I don't know if I love the smell of lavender, but they say it's very calming for night. It's not like my go-to scent, but lately a lot of the stuff I've been getting in my boxes have been lavender. So I guess I'm kind of getting used to it a little bit. It hydrates. It's a lotion, so it's not like a cream, anything heavy or rich. It goes right into the skin, gives you like a beautiful glow to your skin. So I like it. It's the winter time, getting close to spring, but still winter, and that's when everybody's skin is dry, so we can always use a lotion. We can always use a lotion. I can put this in my bag, in my pocketbook, in case if I'm ever dry. So I'll always be able to use a lotion, so not mad at it. The next thing I got was this. It's called Awake, and it is a Awake Lip Therapy Lip Mask. It retails for $20. I tried this last night. It's like it feels like lip balm or lip gloss, but just very thick feeling. You're supposed to sleep with it on, and then when you wake up, your lips are very hydrated. So this is good for people who like to wear like the lip stains, like the liquid lip stains, because they leave your lips feeling very dry, and this hydrates it. So It smells like candy. Like, if I could describe the smell, I would say like a melon daiquiri. I never actually had a melon daiquiri, but I have the Philosophy shower gels, like the melon daiquiri one, and it smells kind of like that. So yeah, it's like a rosy color, rosy corally color. So this is good because I have a lot of liquid lipstick, so you can always have some extra hydration at night. Like I said, it's still winter, so it's still a little cool and cold outside, so the hydration is key to not having chapped lips. Alright, and this is a deluxe sample. The full-size version is $20. So I have 2 more things in my bag, which I just dropped one of them. Let me get it. Oops. Okay. So the other thing I got is called Girl Actic. Don't come for me if I said it wrong. Girl Actic. Precision eyeliner marker. Sorry if I said it wrong. It's a liquid liner. I actually have it on today. I like it. I think in pretty much like every one of these bags we get a eyeliner, a liquid eyeliner. So, or a mascara. It's either liquid eyeliner or mascara 9 times out of 10. But as a female, we all use liquid eyeliners and we all use mascara. So, as long as you guys don't open it, the lifespan doesn't start until you open it. So, because some people complain, oh, I have a million eyeliners, a million mascaras. Just don't open them until you need them. So, I open mine because I want to try it and give an honest review, but I wear makeup so much that it's not going to really affect me because I use my products. Some people who like open a moisturizer, but then, you know, they're not going to use it, then that kind of sucks because the lifespan starts once you open it. So just take your time with opening everything if you're not going to really use it, but I try to use everything. So that was that. This retails for $20. So honestly, like, any one thing I got would have made the value of the bag. The bag was $12, but I mean this was $20. The brush was $18. The brow pencil that I'm about to show you guys now was $20. So it's like, I think this one is like the one that you get the most value from, because for $12, the amount of stuff you get, it's like I just got 6 things for $12. When can you get 12 beauty items? Normally it would be 5, but when can you get, but this time it's 6 because of the 100th anniversary for Ipsy. You get 6 things for $12. I mean, that's like a bargain. This is why I love these subscription boxes. It's such a good deal. But anyway, I got this brow pencil. Let's see. Scone Cosmetics. I've never heard of this brand before. Brow wand in chocolate. So honestly, I did not like this brow pencil. It doesn't go on. Like, I tried my best, and I use like the Anastasia brow pencil, the Benefit brow pencil, the Urban Decay brow pencil. I use the Morphe brow pencil. I use them all. The MAC brow pencil. I use them all. No problems. This one does not go on. Like, I'm just like. And it's supposed to be chocolate, so it's not like it's like a light color that's too light for my skin tone. It's chocolate, so it draws on your hand fine. So like if I draw, you see, I can draw it on, but it doesn't really pick up on the actual hairs. It tugs. It kind of hurts when I'm trying to apply it, and I shouldn't have to be in pain when I'm applying my brow pencil. This was a no-go. This was the only thing where I was like, that was the only thing I wasn't feeling, but everything else I liked. Maybe I can use this on my kit for like somebody who has a lot of hairs on their brow hairs, and they just need like sparsing, so I don't have to actually like apply anything on. Not to say that I don't have any brows. I do have brows, but like it wasn't going on well. So maybe I'll just use this for my kit since I already used it and swatched it. I would never give something away that's used. So that is it. That is it. There's nothing left in here. Everything's empty. I like this one. Was very, very good. So I was very happy about it. The only two things that I would say could have been a pass is the bag, but the bags come with the subscriptions, and the brow pencil. So with that being said, it's a wrap for this video. My next video is going to be my Ipsy Glam bag plus. I had to think for a second. I'm looking at Ipsy Glam bag. My Ipsy Glam bag plus. I'm going to show you guys what I got for that for the month of March. And with that being said, I'm going to wrap up the video. Thank you guys for the ones who stayed to the ending of my video. I appreciate it. And if you didn't get a chance yet, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want to know when I have my next video up, make sure you always click the notification button, which honestly, I've been watching YouTube videos for like a while now. And I never used to click the notification buttons because I'm like, whatever. And then I'm like, for certain people that I watch, I'm like, they haven't posted in a while. Why haven't I seen their videos? And then I click on the person and they have videos out. And I'm like, oh, wow. Like, maybe that's why everyone does say click the notification button so you can know and get notified when they do post something new. So I'm like, I'm going to make sure I tell everybody that because I really didn't think it made a difference if you clicked it or not. But, like, I'm like, I know this person. It could have never been weeks they didn't post anything. So I'm like, I'll let you guys know as well. And that's it. I'll see you guys in my next unboxing for my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus.